Hey guys, it's Jim, and I just wanted to take you through in this video a quick walkthrough of the front page and some of the inside pages of localchoiceseo.com. So here we are, just right on the front page, and what I've done, I've made this kind of mobile optimized because my experience working with local businesses on web design is that a lot of these guys are and women are working from their mobile phones. So, being very mobile friendly is a good thing for this clientele. So, really, that's kind of my focus here with these buttons, where it's basically just set up to work with the Call Now feature on the phones, where they just click it and then they get the little pop-up that says, "Do you want to call this number?" And so that's kind of the thought behind those. Got like a testimonial area here, but we're not going to go into every little detail. What I just wanted to point out is some of those sort of features that are important here for the business clients when you're trying to land high-end SEO type service clients. So again, one of the things I found is critical is just having a way to capture leads. So sometimes you've got those guys who don't want to necessarily call you right away, but they want to see if you're legit and that kind of thing. So that's why I have this book here. A lot of people don't really read it, even though this has actually got some pretty good information in it, but they just want to see, okay, these guys have written a book, so this kind of lends authority to your business, right? Because they don't know you yet. I mean, if you're kind of doing the ground, feet on the ground, going out and meeting clients and stuff, of course they're going to be meeting you and judging you and getting your authority that way. But a lot of people, if you're doing like ads, like I like to do for businesses, using Facebook ads and that kind of thing, well, they're not really going to know how much authority you have. And so having a book, is something that adds a lot of authority and expertise to you and your business. And so that's one of the big reasons I include this. And the other reason is just because you've just got a group of people out there who aren't going to, even if they think you've got the authority, they don't really want to pick up the phone and call you. They want to kind of dig a little deeper. And one of the ways they can do that is by just putting their name and email address in here and then seeing what happens. So that's kind of the theory behind that one. And then I've just set up a nice email series where they get a series of 5 emails basically delivering the book, and then and we'll go through those in a separate video, but just continuing to build your authority and then basically giving them a call to action to give you a call and set up a consultation. So that's kind of what the whole front page looks like. And then the thing that's great about this site is it's already getting organic traffic in search. And that's just because, like I mentioned in the sales page, I like to, as soon as I have a domain, just set it up and start curating content so that, especially if I've bought a domain that has page rank and some links and stuff like that, some backlinks, then I just want to preserve that stuff. So that's why as soon as I have a domain, even if I don't know what I'm going to do with it, I'll basically just start curating this content. And I like to get it from YouTube. So what I do is, and we'll look at this in another video, I'll show you the cool combination of plugins and stuff that we use on the back end. But basically we get these curated content from YouTube, and I've got some plugins and stuff in place that make these completely unique. So they actually, from a search engine standpoint, appear to be completely unique posts. Google absolutely loves embedded YouTube videos for content anyway. So you've got that going for you, and then, like I mentioned, we've got 400 plus posts in on the website now. So that's just another authority thing. So when you're trying to sell high-end clients in that $2,000 or $3,000 a month range, and I'm there's certainly higher end. You could certainly take this to a much higher level. But I've just kind of designed it, for me, for my business, what that sweet spot is, which is close to 1,000 up to 3,000 a month for different services. I just don't really do SEO. So that's one of the things that I think, if you've got a web design firm and you're interested in offering this, and you're gonna take the action and build the business out, it's really lucrative, because you could certainly outsource the search engine optimization work for a fraction of what you can charge people, but it does take a good amount of work in delivering the reporting and stuff. But the cool thing about this site, you've just got a ton of content here, and it just continues to add authority, right, to you and your business. And so that's huge, especially if you're doing any sort of paid advertising to get these clients, which is certainly the fastest way to start bringing clients and money in the door with any kind of service business. So I'll just leave the video at that. Thanks a lot for joining me, and in the next few videos we'll kind of take a look inside the website on the back end, and we'll talk more about the emails that get delivered in the book, and we'll go through all of the sales funnel and those things. So hope you enjoy looking at this website, and feel free to make a bid on this auction, and certainly if you have any questions, just reach out to me through direct message on Flippa, or hit me up on Skype at Colorado 1850. Thanks.